Have you ever wondered why the price of your favorite coffee fluctuates or why the shares of a certain tech company suddenly surge? Puzzling, isn't it? Well, it's all about the magic and mystery of the trade market. The trade market, in its simplest form, is a grand stage where buyers and sellers come together to trade. But instead of apples and oranges, they're dealing in stocks, commodities, currencies, and a whole lot more. Think of it as a giant global swap meet. But instead of trading old records and vintage clothing, you're trading stocks, bonds, commodities, and currencies. And just like a swap meet, the trade market operates on the principle of supply and demand. When there's a high demand for something but a limited supply, the price tends to go up. Conversely, if there's a surplus of something but not enough demand, the price usually drops. That's why the price of your favorite coffee can fluctuate, depending on factors like weather conditions affecting coffee, bean crops, or changes in global coffee consumption. But here's where it gets interesting. The trade market is not just about buying and selling tangible goods. It's also about trading financial instruments like stocks, bonds, and derivatives. These are basically contracts between parties based on the asset or group of assets they represent. Stocks, for instance, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of that company. If the company does well, the price of the stock goes up and you can sell it for a profit. But if the company doesn't do well, the price of the stock may go down and you could lose money. And then there's the foreign exchange market, or Forex for short, where currencies are traded. This is the largest and most liquid market in the world, with trillions of dollars traded every day. Here, currencies are traded in pairs, like the US dollar against the euro, and their exchange rate fluctuates based on factors like interest rates, economic stability, and geopolitical events. To sum it all up, the trade market is a complex system where a variety of goods, services, securities, and financial instruments are traded. It's influenced by a multitude of factors, from supply and demand to economic conditions and geopolitical events. It's a reflection of our global interconnectedness and has a profound impact on our daily lives, from the price of our morning coffee to the value of our retirement savings. So, the next time you sip your coffee, take a moment to ponder the fascinating world of the trade market. It's more closely linked to your life than you might think. And who knows? With a deeper understanding of how it works, you might just find opportunities to make it work to your advantage.